Hi friends, today we're going to learn how to add mixed numbers. So let's look at this question. First, add whole number together. So here whole number 2 and here 4. Then add fraction together. So now we're going to add whole number together. 2 plus 4. And then add fraction together. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. Now add fraction together. However, we need to have common denominator. So since we have denominator 3, here 3 and the denominator 4 is uncommon denominator. So we need to make the denominator same before we can add these two fractions. If we multiply 3 times 4 equal 12. If we multiply 4 multiplied by 3 equal 12. So now we have same denominator. But one thing you have to remember is that whatever you do to the bottom of the fraction, you have to do to the top of the fraction as well. So here 6 plus 2, 3 multiplied by 4. So you have to do the top of the fraction as well. So since we multiply the bottom number by 4, we have to multiply the top number by 4 as well. So now here 1. So here we are multiplying 4 into 3. So you have to multiply 1 by 3 as well. So since we multiply the bottom number by 3, we have to multiply top number by 3 as well. So 6 plus 2 multiplied by 4 equal 8. 3 multiplied by 4 equal 12. Plus 1 multiplied by 3 equal 3. 4 multiplied by 3 equal 12. So now we have same denominator. Now we can add together 6 plus 12 common denominator. So here 8 plus 3 equal 11. So now the answer this is the answer.